You are going to love the 2023 Telluride. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.